Arvind Subramanian, Chief Economic Adviser, responding, commenting, reacting to the Fed's historic move.
I think that it's very difficult to be sure that this is going to be the beginning of a rate cycle, because it's clear from the statement that they're going to be very cautious going forward, and in particular they signal that they will be looking at the inflation target, which the inflation numbers which are still running well below target. So I don't think we should take it for granted that this is the necessarily the beginning of a strong rate hike cycle.
So they've said 125 BPS is something around the quantum which they're looking for within the next year. So what do you see as the impact of that on the emerging markets as well?
See, I think firstly, I just want to say that this rate hike was widely anticipated. So I think that market should have priced this in, and therefore I don't think there should be much of an impact of this per se. I think the impact will happen depending upon what it signals about future rate hikes. And I think that's a little bit open, I think, still. So let's wait. And as far as India is concerned, look, we're really well cushioned on the macroeconomic side. So inflation is coming down. Our fiscal deficit situation is very good. External situation is also robust. So I think that for all these reasons, I think the impact on India should be relatively minimal. Yeah.
So what kind of fiscal and monetary measures will you take to arrest the volatility in the market?
You have to wait until tomorrow. I'll give you all the news tomorrow, because tomorrow is the mid-year analysis. We'll do the press briefing tomorrow.
Right.
And so how much more, as far as the quantum of the hike is concerned, how much more hikes can we see going forward from here, especially for the US Fed?
As you said, I mean, as I said, that it's not something to be taken for granted. Remember, in some senses, this was a reluctant rate hike on the part of the Fed, because lots of voices in the US were actually saying that the economy is not strong enough to take this. So let's see. So I don't think, I'm not sure whether necessarily one should assume that this is going to be.
Are you at all worried about the outflows from India, sir?
And in terms of what's the impact on the currency as well?
No, I think, as I said, we're relatively well cushioned, so I think the volatility on Indian markets should be quite minimal.
And what
Thank
about
you.
the impact?